Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to just go? To zip past stars and galaxies in the blink of an eye? We see it in movies all the time, characters jumping to light speed. But what if we could actually do it? What would happen to us, to our world, if we could travel at the speed of light? It turns out, this isn't just a question for science fiction. It's a question that unlocks some of the most mind-bending and fundamental truths about our universe. Understanding this cosmic speed limit changes everything we think we know about time and space. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a journey to the very edge of reality. First, let's get one thing straight. According to our current understanding of physics, it's impossible for anything with mass to actually reach the speed of light. Einstein's theory of special relativity tells us that as an object with mass speeds up, its own mass increases. The closer it gets to the speed of light, the more its mass grows, and it would take an infinite amount of energy to push it to that ultimate speed. So, while we can't hit that exact speed, we can imagine getting incredibly close. And that's where things get really weird. Imagine you're on a spaceship traveling at 99.9% the speed of light. The first thing you'd notice is a strange and beautiful distortion of the world outside. The stars in front of you would appear to crowd together into a bright, bluish tunnel. This is because the light waves from them would be compressed, a phenomenon known as the Doppler effect. Behind you, the stars would appear reddish and spread out. You'd also experience a kind of tunnel vision, where your entire field of view shrinks to a small, bright window in front of you. But the most profound change wouldn't be what you see, it would be how you experience time itself. For you on that speeding ship, time would slow down dramatically compared to someone on Earth. This is called time dilation. It's not just a feeling, it's a real, measurable effect. If you were to take a trip to a star 10 light years away and back, traveling near light speed, you might only age a few months. But when you returned to Earth, you'd find that decades had passed. Your friends and family would be much older or might not be there at all. It's a concept called the twin paradox, where a traveling twin ages much less than their sibling who stayed home. It's not just time that warps, space does too. From your perspective on the ship, the distance to your destination would actually shrink. This is called length contraction. That 10 light-year journey would seem much shorter to you, which is how you could complete it in what feels like a few months. It's as if the universe itself is compressing in the direction you're moving to ensure that the speed of light remains the ultimate constant for everyone. So, what does this all mean? Traveling at the speed of light isn't just about going fast. It's about fundamentally altering your relationship with space and time. You would, in a very real sense, be traveling into the future. While the idea of leaving everyone you know behind is a somber thought, it also reveals a profound truth about our universe. That space and time are not fixed, but are a flexible, interwoven fabric called spacetime. Our journey at the speed of light might be a fantasy, but exploring its consequences reveals the incredible depth and strangeness of the cosmos. It reminds us that there are fundamental rules to the universe, and that those rules can lead to outcomes beyond our wildest imaginations. So next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're not just seeing distant points of light. You're looking at a cosmic speed limit that shapes the very nature of reality. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and if this made you think differently about the universe, share it with someone who might feel the same.